Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something different. It's going to be a wig review. I'll be reviewing the AIMOONSA hair in the style bob coily jerry curls, and this is 6 inches. It's away from my neck, but if you want to know my honest review, keep watching. But before you go click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and drop your comments in the comment section. We are going to go on a giveaway rampage once we reach 1,000 subscribers with makeup worth $1,000. What did I say? $1,000. So you guys, you don't want to miss this. Go click the subscribe button and make sure you're active on this channel. You have to be a very active subscriber to win. So next, just an heads up on what comes in the pack. I got 2 free goodies. I got the elastic headband that helps me secure the wig at the back like so, and it also came with a 2-piece wig cap, and I love it because it's the color brown, not necessarily brown, but it's a melanin shade color, which is going to be a bit closer to my skin. But today I'm just going to be using this wig cap that I have on. And next is the hair. It comes in this cute wrap. I'm just going to take it out like so. You guys, were unboxing this together. I haven't opened it up. So it comes in this cute hair net just to put the hair together, and I'm taking it off. In the middle of the hair net has this scrunch thing that just makes it, you know, form and shaped. And it has the lace frontal, it has the clinging clips, the clips that makes it get stuck to your hair. So for the hair, it's coily and it's short. It's just like a bob cut. As you can see, it's quite short. But before we get right into it, let's see if this hair is worth buying, if it's worth spending your coins. The thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off this back lace before I put it on my hair because I can't see what's going on at my back. I'm just gonna go in with these cute scissors and I'm just gonna cut it right through. I'm doing this so you guys know how close you need to get. Be very careful so you don't nip any of the sew-ins, but this is how close I'm gonna get to cut the back lace. Just so that the hair starts getting moisturized before I start cutting it, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle. In my spray bottle, I just have my conditioner, which is a Sheer Moisture conditioner, and a little bit of water. So for this, I'm just going to go in with my Sheer Moisture conditioner in my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray my hair just so that the necessary moisture gets into the hair before it's ready. As I'm going in with my conditioner, the hair is beginning to wake up. It's looking a bit different. It's not looking like the dull texture it came with. So I'm just using this to give the hair some light. After I'm done going in with the water and conditioner from my spray bottle, I'm going to go in with this AUSSIE's Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just going to spray it all over my hair. I'm trying to get it to be as moisturized as it can be. I would usually do this on my mannequin before I start, but I got a few comments from people saying that they tried it but they weren't sure if it was going to go out. I want us to see how detailed you have to be when it comes to your wig. Next, I'm going in with this S-Coil No Drip Activator. It's a coil activator, and I'm just going in like so. And I'm just going to put it all over my hair. I know this looks like it's a lot, but it's usually better when you do it the first day you get your wig, because it's like the first foundation for the wig to always look vibrant and beautiful. Next thing I'm going to do is go in with this anti-freeze, and I'm using this just so my hair looks shiny and it stays a bit in place. So I'm going to spray. So I did 2 squirts on my hand, take it together, and I'm just going to rub it all over. anytime you have a coily hair or a coily wig, you really have to go through all these steps before you bother to comb it. Before you comb the hair or the wig or the weave, you have to go through all these steps. You can't have a new hair and just go right into it with a comb or a brush. It's going to leave it tangled, it's going to leave it puffy, and you think you got something fake. There are times you get a lesser quality, but most of the time you really have to take good care of your hair for it to come out just as you see in the pictures. I'm just going to go in with my tiny little scissors and I'm just going to make some incisions like here. 1, 2, and 3. What I'm just going to do next is cut out the wig so it suits my face. Guys, you have to be careful here. The fact that I'm doing this so close doesn't mean I'm not careful. I'm being extraordinarily careful. So I'm just going to cut the wig to fit my face shape, and I'm taking it just behind my ears. So this is what I got from my left ears, and this is it. My wig is sitting behind my ears. I'm going to take the scissors again and just cut very close to my hairline. I'm going to cut very, very close, and I'm taking it like so. Can do away with it. I try as much as possible not to glue the wig down. I try and make it secure first. Well, at times you have some wigs that are a bit bulky and won't sit well. I think this wig is going to sit well, so I'm just going to cut off the excess lace. To make it look as realistic as possible, I'm going in with this disposable headband, and I'm just going to put it all over and tie it at the back. I'm just going to take off the wig band. I'm just going to take off the band, and I love what's going on. Let me take out my pins. Let me take out the pins. This comes to the end of this video. I took out the mesh headband, and this is what I was able to come up with. I just sprayed it a little bit with the AUSSIE conditioner, as you saw. This is nice. It's nice. It's giving me summer vibes. You know, I think it's lovely. You want to check the back. The back looks gorgeous too. It's so short. It's away from the neck, and during this summertime you want something that's going to be very comfortable. So I think this is screaming comfort. So guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I was able to style the hair this way, and I think it's pretty comfortable for summertime. I would love everything to be off my neck, so I'm loving the short vibe going on, and it's a bit Jerry coilish, and it feels like I just took out my cornrows. It's just giving me a lot of vibes. You can dress up, dress down, any way you want to dress up. This hair is like all sorts. The hair is by AIMOONSA hair, and it's totally worth every penny spent. I'm going to drop the link in my description box. Make sure you click on it and go get yours. This is a perfect summer wig to just get you slayed. I love this. I think I'm going to get more, and I love the texture too. It's really good human hair. I love it. I didn't glue the edges down, so you might see a bit of lifting, but that's just the way I want it. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section, and subscribe. Click the subscribe button, please. We're trying to get our subscribe buttons up, and there'll be a giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers on Garbie'Signature's channel. Kindly subscribe and welcome to the family.